kulingana na magani yetu na atuatagete chia even allowances chikora chirigeliwo ke wholesale ke chance chirigeliwo allowances twale kwa ngakijira mo toko ni community abali especially bono even to get elephant in the house is a stagnation as in the same job group. You know, it's only in Teacher Service Commission okogende school osome okole masters okole PhD lakini tokomenda mushahara na 20 are treated the same way no mwalimu onde or in job group B5 yani you are the same. It's only in Teacher Service Commission and that was one of our proposals abali baita bange basomire inki yakogera Teacher Service Commission tariko consider that is postgraduate allowance umuntu kuwasoma ngi wajerte school is to improve maybe on your salary kidogo watumia jiba sinyinge wali meaning parliamentary experience na ora ali no tigale dali ono yo tariko ranga serikali mbigo to treat. It's only in Teacher Service Commission to work on leave allowance chiri winya isana isoto which in other sectors kwanyora leave allowance ya kero mwaka ba work on jiba chiri equivalent to 1 month salary. So that was we were not asking so much engabuna the year 2013 to got discrepancies go say a difference yo balimu na sectors in the economy wale work on jiba sinyinge ndo kanjinga KUPPET gaja with a good proposal. We are not demanding so much. Harmonize our salaries. Serikali nje igwete harmonize. One on our allowances na jiroje tigeto uniform onye na allowance to twins uniform. Una abarimu na bokonyoro tagetaka somi ina town school akimeta rural area. Na bokonyoro ometa rural area akimeta town. To harmonize kile ni allowance nyingi. Zonally teacher, there was a time mama to propose to rules to face out in energy boarding school. Zonally mwalimu akonyora like principal deputies, boarding teachers, duty teachers akonyora bako work for 24 hours in school. Kolenda bana ba Kenya. But the musara no lioli. Other sectors of the economy and waendega saa 3 barua saa 10. Saa 11.